Hello guys, welcome back to the third part of Godot FPS tutorial. On the previous part we made the bullet node and player shooting. On this part 1 we'll show you how to make the server client system and connect a lot of players play together. To make the server program we need JavaScript. So, open Visual Studio Code or another editor and start a new JavaScript project. Inside command line type npm init. Choose a name for your project, a version, a description. This is the main file of every JavaScript project. Now make a new file for the server code. Import the Express package. Inside a variable named server initialize a new Express node. Choose in what port your server listens. Add a listener for every connection. Client parameter matches to every client is connected on the server. Capture every packet client send on the server. Message parameter matches to incoming packet. Get every connected client and send him the incoming packet. Sorry guys, I forgot to convert the server into WebSocket server. Now the server is ready to use. As you can see the server is on, but on the local network. I will show you on other video how make the server accessible remotely. The next step is to make the client side. Open Godot and implement a new script on the map scene. Before we start, load a position 3D as a spawn point. Find the spawn point and integrate it inside the script. Inside a variable named client set a new object of WebSocket client class. We will use connected method when client connect to the server. We will use this method when the connection not established. We will use this method when client disconnect from the server. This function is the most important because it is called when client receives a packet from the server. Use the method _ready. Now get the client variable and connect 4 signals to these 4 method we initialized. Inside the variable error call the function connect _ to _URL. That means connection is okay and we haven't to deal with errors. Call the _ process built-in function and make the client polling on the server. Enable process method. Disable process method. We don't need connection failed method. Add the spawn method including the player id as parameter. Load the player scene inside a variable. Player spawns on the position of the spawn point. Now add the new player instance. Under connected method call the spawn method. By default I set a random name for the player. On your games you will have to set the real players' names. Global scripts is a feature of Godot in which different scripts interacting and exchange variables between them. For example, if you want to store temporary the players' names on a script and use it on another script you need to global scripts. This is how global scripts works. To make a global script, open project settings, go to autoload and load the script which you want to make global. I decided to manage the incoming packets on a different script. I made a new script and named it Net Packets Manager. Later, inside a variable named game we will set the map scene. Start a new method, name it manage packet and include a dictionary with name packet. Inside this parameter we will set the value of every incoming packet from the server. Every packet will have a parameter named action. In the case of action is spawn a new player inside game. Every player send a packet including its position and rotation. In this case action will have a string value named update. Find the player instance inside the game and update its transform. Now make the script global. Under packet received method fetch every incoming packet. From the packet manager script call the method manage packet to manage the incoming packet. Now as a player you send a packet including all your data. This is important in order other players watch you inside the game and also in order you watch the other players. It took me a lot of hours to make the code work. I didn't show you how to complete the multiplayer system, but I show you the basics. Of course you will have access on the source code of the project. So, this is the final edition of the multiplayer system. Have a look on the game test. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, subscribe, click the bell to get notified for new videos. Join my Discord server and the server of my game. Help my work by donating in PayPal, and become a Patreon. Thanks. Bye.